Hello everyone and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to recover your deleted text messages. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, we need just to make sure that we have like the backup turned on our phone. So just go to settings and then go to Google services, and basically you will need just to see the backup. You will need just to have your backup your device with the Google one. Make sure that you have your backup that is turned on and just continue everything, skip, and then you will find your backup. And basically here you can find your text messages, SMS messages here. So if you didn't have this turned on, you will have all your deleted messages that are gone and permanently deleted. Otherwise, you will have your messages that will be restocked or stored here, and you can access them whenever you like. You can send those, you can back them up in other phones, etc. Then you will need just to check for other storage places like your phone storage place. Like here, you click on storage, and then on this photo and videos, you will need just to start like searching for any place or recycle bin where you can find your messages. So now, whenever we can add in some shots, we can just like, for example, add this, send to someone, and for example, hello, I'm just going to send and hi everyone. But probably that won't be backed up since it won't be fully sent, saying I don't have like a SIM card on this device. So even if I go like to the settings, go to the Google account, and here I will search for the backup, I won't have like the SMS or messages restored here since I do not have any messages that has been fully send it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.